Manufacturing is entering a new age, an age of endless opportunities for the knowledge industry. Singapore is taking the next big step in developing its advanced manufacturing ecosystem. Jurong Innovation District, JID, is a concentrated, dedicated, advanced manufacturing campus. It's a space where your neighbors are leading technology providers, high-tech manufacturers, researchers, and educational institutions.
Key of the Advanced Manufacturing Transformation Center is to accelerate the adoption of the existing and upcoming factories for additive manufacturing. We set up there a complete ecosystem that is accessible to all companies embarking on their digital transformation journey. A collaborating platform for co-creation with existing and new customers.
JID has been designed to help you take on the complex challenges of adopting Industry 4.0. Its highly accessible network introduces vertical and horizontal integration from multiple angles, from an 11-kilometer long sky corridor to Singapore's first underground logistics network. This district provides the infrastructure to reshape the way companies conceive their supply chain strategies. We've created a living lab environment designed to open up new opportunities right at your doorstep. Whether you're looking for a testbed for experimentation or partners to develop 5G and artificial intelligence technologies with, JID has it all. At its core are people, those who determine your success in your advanced manufacturing journey. Our universities work closely with manufacturers to ensure that thousands of young creative minds are plugged into this ecosystem to always be at the cutting edge of technology, injecting fresh perspectives into our ecosystem.
A campus is where one finds deep investigation of ideas. It's not merely a physical space, but rather a community developing and growing together.
The future is about collaboration, I think more than anything. It's this collaborative environment that by being in the Jurong Innovation District ourselves, engaging with the customers, that also plays back into our organization, being able to tell our organization what is the need.
JID is growing an advanced manufacturing ecosystem and bringing it right to your doorstep. All you have to do is plug and play. The possibilities, they're endless.